Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be learning how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. It's a very easy process, so this is how you do it. Here I'm on my Shopify account. You simply come here to add apps and you scroll down here up to where you see CJ Shopify. If you cannot locate that, you simply click on Shopify App Store, and then once it logs in, you can search up here, CJ Dropshipping. So here it is, you click on that, then you add app, then you click on install app. So if you don't yet have an account on CJ Dropshipping, what you'll need is to register an account if you don't have one. So to register, it's a very simple process. When you click confirm, you agree to the authorization. So you register here. So you simply add your emails, passwords, then you give in the other details. So once the account is registered, I can click on skip. And now here I am on CJ Dropshipping. So I simply click on this logo, the dropshipping. Then I can come to the items, then I can come to all categories, then I can select the items that I would need. I can also come up here to see my profile, whether there's anything that I have linked. So far, let's see the profile. So you notice we only have my details here with nothing linked. So I can click back here on dropshipping logo. Then I can choose the category of the items that I want to sell. Let me say I want to sell jewelries and watches. Then I get this list of items. As you can see, quite a good number of them. I can also search that using the keyword here up on the top. But let's say I want to sell the jewelry, and specifically I want to sell the freshwater pearl pendant. I click on that just once. Then I can now look at the details here. The shipping cost $1, service, total price $3. So if now I click on list, it gives me the list, the details, where it's being shipped from, the store number, which is added automatically up here, and then whether the tax is included or not. So with that, I can either add my own price down here, and if I need to, I can add the product type here. I can add new, or the vendor, I can add new here. Depending on the price that I want to sell the item, I can type my price here. So for instance, this item costs a total of 3.39. That is a total drop shipping cost, a service fee of this, and then a shopping fee of 1.8. So I can decide to put my price at $5, and that means I'll be getting 0.04. So it depends on what I want as my margin or as my profit. So if I put it at 10, I get 0.08. So you only adjust this depending on the price that you feel is fit for your profit margin. In this case, let me just put it at 20. I needed to select the product type. I add new, then I can type that product type. Maybe it's a jewelry. Then I can confirm. Then the vendor, I can add that. I write, maybe I'm the one selling it, so I write myself. I confirm. Then I click on list now. So listing is in progress. That may take some time, and now it has indicated listed successfully. The product has been listed to your store successfully. So if now I come back to my profile here, then I check on orders. So if I come here under products again, and then I click on listed, you'll notice that our item is already listed here with our price and all the other details. So it's already listed here. So if I click on it, I'm now able to see all the details that are there. So to check if my item has been connected, I simply come at the top and check on profile. Then I come to products. At the top, I click on that, and then I come to connection. So you notice we already have this one already connected to our account. So what we can now do, we go back to my store and we can refresh that page again. Then we come to products, and here it is. So as you can see, our freshwater pearl pendant necklace is already linked to our Shopify, and we did that on this side. Let me click here. It's already linked from Dropshipping, the same product here, the freshwater pearl pendant necklace. And that is simply how you simply connect. One more thing that you have to ensure that you do in your Shopify is to add your payment details, such that once you receive an order, you are able also to have your payment processed in a nice way. And that is simply how you connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped a lot. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until the next one, goodbye.